Just a quick review for these metal folding chairs. These are really easy to move around. They're nice and lightweight. What I like about them and sort of was surprised about is the texture of this material here. It's like a leather or a pleather material, but it also has some cushion in there as well on this bottom and on the back surface, which is really nice. They're very lightweight. Like I said, they're easy to fold up. They weigh about 8 pounds a piece, and they're 18 inches wide this way, 18 inches front and back, and about 30 inches from the floor up to the top here. So that's basically your standard size folding chair. It does have some nice plastic caps up here where this upright rests on, as well as plastic caps on each one of the 4 legs. There's some crossbars, and the paint looks pretty durable. It's nice and shiny, so this is a great looking chair. Like I said, my favorite things about these is that they're really lightweight, easy to fold up and stow away and put them away when you're not using them. These are great.